Here we go.
I didn't think about doing like building or this type of path, but when I went to the SmartLab, I really want to do this.
We have our DT students coming in. We have first through fifth grade DT students, so they come in twice a week with me. Everyone will actually get the opportunity to come into the SmartLab at some point during the week.
What are you doing? Trying to take a photo.
I'm very excited because I just feel like this gives our students an opportunity that they may not have. Just opening their eyes and learning about the different careers and different pathways that they may not even know about. We're starting with just our hands-on, our kinetics cubes and kinetics blocks. That's our first one. So it goes from really low technology to higher technology. They do have the tablets as well, so they'll be using apps on their tablets.
It's nice to see the excitement in the kids and the teachers, especially in the community of Houston. Our office is here in the Houston area. It's really nice to be able to see community giving back.
And think about, the lives that we're going to impact and change because our students get to be exposed to such an experience that's going to bring out authentic learning and real world skills on creativity, innovation, problem solving.